Hey, Mike over at rewardswebsites.com. Today I've got a review for you on FreeCash. I've already wrote a review for it in the past, but they used to be called FreeSkins, so I'm doing a little rebrand here myself on the blog post because I got to do something about that. Because the images are outdated, which I have not worked on. The subtitles were outdated, which I already worked on. Some of the wording in the paragraphs were a little bit outdated, so I got to work on that. But I figured I'd do a review on it today, and I got it pulled up here. Now, if you do not have an account, you can actually sign up and use my referral link that I will put in the description, and I will earn 5% as a bonus on everything that you earn. So that would actually tremendously help me out and help me keep this project going. So it'd be pretty cool if you could do that. I'm going to try my best here. I'm really new to making video reviews. I'm actually used to typing it up, so I had a little bit more time to plan these things out. I'm going to freeball this a little bit. So I'm going to try to simplify it as much as I can, so I may do a little bit of cuts here. But alright, so starting off, this is the home page. Now, what I really like about this is their presentation and just how cool the design looks. It's very attractive, very user-friendly. Any beginner can pretty much figure this out right off the bat, especially if you're not good with English. Alright, so right here, average time until user makes first cash out, 42 minutes 21 seconds. That's actually really good. Average money earned by users yesterday, $16.64. And this is the one that's the kicker here. This is why they're doing so good and why they rebranded. Total USD earned on FreeCash, $1,018,474. Wow. And the reason why I say wow is because look at this. Copyright 2020, 2021. They opened up in 2020 last year. That is insane. Normally it takes even GPT owners, if you're a smaller GPT site owner, and you're open for about maybe 5 to 8 years, anywhere in between there. Even then, they're really barely hitting 500,000. So that's actually insane. To double that, that's incredible. So really, really cool stuff here, guys. You do not want to miss out on this. Alright, so enough of that. Let's move on to the earn section, because I think that's what we care about the most. What ways can you earn on FreeCash? So what I really like about them, first and foremost, is the featured offers. Now, they're really good at sorting out their offers so you know what the best ones are. Now, usually they're going to be really high-paying offers, like the super high-paying. But the good news is they're usually high crediting. So you don't have to worry about them not crediting your account for as long as you are doing it correctly. So they got the Your Surveys. They've always been a huge survey company. I highly recommend you check them out if you're big on surveys. So I would definitely start there. For example, you would fill this out here, and I guess I'll just wait on that one because I would have to go further to show you. I think this is actually what I meant to show you to begin with. So they got 50-cent fast surveys and $1 normal surveys, which is awesome. I'm hoping that they actually mean fast. I actually figured out a little trick here. I'll show you here in a second. Speaking of fast surveys, but trying to stay on topic here. So the one that I was actually going to use for this example today was the one right here for $32,400. Really excited about that one because it doesn't seem too bad. I think it's something that I can accomplish. But anyways, we got some offer walls here as well. Now all that means, I'll even open one up. All that really means is it's just a wall with a bunch of different offers. Sometimes you can categorize which type of offers you want to complete. They even got some surveys there. They got some apps that you can install, maybe some games with certain requirements that pay out quite a bit. That's nice. I'll show you a couple of them here. Peanut Labs is another one. They've been around for a while. I'm actually not too big of a fan of them right now, just because they seem a little limited, and the ones that they do have I'm not really getting credited for anyways. We got AdGate Media. Huge recommendation on this one. They've got some high paying offers. But first and foremost, they pay. I mean, they credit so well. I'm not kidding. Very well. Definitely check them out. AdSend Media is another one, and they even have a 20% bonus going on right now. This is the free section. I've actually gotten quite a bit to credit. I can show you this. I'm surprised. Minus these ones. It's going to be a tough one. I did a ton of those. There we go. For example, just one of those where you pretty much register, put your details in there, credit you 96 coins. Nice. Another 96 coins, 360, another 360, and that's what I was talking about. I did a ton of those the other day. I was impressed. Ended up winning the leaderboard, which I will also go over. And then we've got surveys. So that's what I was mentioning. The Your Surveys is the one that I highly recommend. So that's the custom surveys, I believe, if I remember correctly. It's like a big wall. I've actually retired myself from doing surveys. I did a ton of them in the past, and I'm kind of getting a little bit sick of them. But I guess that's to happen if you do something for quite a bit of time. So you would just fill that out, and there's a big wall of surveys there. The biggest, most popular. Then they also have CPX research. Cool stuff here. That's not bad. I mean, it says ETA 1 minute. It's got a 1-star rating, meaning, I guess, one person has completed this. So, it's not always a promise on that, but you can give that a try. Then you got revenue wall. This is also a big wall of surveys. This is a really good one too. I used to do that in the past. Another recommendation there. So here's the one that I wanted to show you though. Alright, I figured this one out. If you go to Revenue Universe, they even got a 50% bonus. Alright, you should end up here. And I will clarify, this may not work for every single country. I'm from the US. I'm sure if you're from Canada, the UK, you'll also have it, but I'm not sure about other countries. Alright, so you would see earn unlimited coins by taking simple questionnaires. Check daily for new questionnaires and earn coins for each one you complete. You'll receive your coins within 5 minutes. They do mean what they say. I thought I wasn't going to get credit. It took about 5-10 minutes and I got my credit. So do not be alarmed if there's a delay. I guess that's kind of normal for this one. So let's check that out. And look what it does. It brings you to Theorem Reach. And all that really is just surveys. But what I really enjoy about Theorem Reach is that if you disqualify, sometimes you'll get upwards of 10 to 20 coins as a bonus for doing it. I'm sure you can get more if you complete higher paying surveys, but that's just kind of nice that they reward you anyways, and it does add up. I'm wondering if I can show you. There we go. So just in the past 24 hours, meaning it's 4:33 p.m. right now. This was done at 3:26 p.m. That was not too long ago. I was just, messing around, doing some easy surveys. I actually sorted it by the shortest surveys first. And look at that. Out of all of them, these were just bonuses for completing them, I believe. Maybe with the exception of this one. But this one right here, 582 coins. I thought that was pretty damn easy, so if I can do it, I'm sure you can do it. Like I said, I'm retiring from these surveys. I was just messing around. Just kind of done too many of them in the past, so if they're kind of complicated, I'm like, oh, nope. If they're easy, I'll go ahead and try it. Alright, enough of that on this page. We're going to move on. Still about earning stuff, but we've got a couple different options here. Since they've been running a lot of promos, which is good for us, they've got a $1,000 daily leaderboard. And they're not kidding either. For the first 250 people, you will win a prize, guaranteed. Now, if you're in the lower standings, you're going to get less. That is very common. Alright, so they've also got a $5,000 monthly leaderboard during August as well. Look at me, I'm at 331 out of 5,074. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm not even that active. I'm just kind of, by luck. I'm just messing around. I'm taking it serious, but what I mean by messing around is I'm just casually browsing the offers like I'm browsing a magazine, shopping or something, and just kind of doing what I can do. I'm not getting too many to go through, but the ones that I can go through, they're at least a few hundred coins, so that definitely adds up. And I am trying. I mean, I'm really trying to get in the contest leaderboard. I think that would be incredible, but not looking too good so far. Like I said, you need to be at least 250th place. I'm 331st place. That's not good. So that's cool. And then this is the other one here. If you like to invite people, you're good at referring people. You have some friends maybe, or some family members that do not live in your household, because you don't want to get in trouble for that. Signing up under the same IP address, the same internet, not good. You can get your account banned. So just make sure you guys are not living together. Right, so and you can, if you invite 5 friends, you'll get $50. Not too terrible. Your first friend, you'll earn $3. Second friend, $5. Third friend, $9. Fourth, $13. Fifth, and $20. Now the whole catch here is, after the friend has joined, they have to earn at least 3,000 coins, which is equal to $3, and you will automatically receive the appropriate rewards shown on the table. So the more friends you invite, the more money you will get, is how that works. Really cool. They also have the option where you can set a referral code. I have a referral link. I've never changed that. The reason being is because I would have to go through and I would have to change everything. So I'm going to wait for a rainy day and I'm going to go through and do that. But until then, I do have a referral link in the description that you can use to sign up. It'd be very much appreciated. Helps me keep this project running because I love doing what I do. I'm just amazed that people are still creating these websites and still doing it. And it's actually kind of cool because it helped me get through many years ago. Like it actually, I think it's been more than 10 to 12 years now. Just looking back, it's like, wow. I'm surprised, but people are still coming up with different ideas, being a little innovative on this whole GPT niche. Okay, I'm doing good so far, but there is one thing that I missed. If you go to the reward tab here, it says new. You will have a promo code. So if you join under somebody, you would put it here. But if you join under my link, it'll automatically be inputted there, so you don't have to do anything. So that's cool. You also have the claim daily bonus. Complete surveys and offers to level up, and the higher your level is, the higher your daily reward will be. So for example, on Gain GG, which I have not done a review yet in video form yet, I started there, and it's the same company, but this one's the one that's really taking off, and I can understand why, the way they're branding themselves. I was over a level 100, so I was getting 100 coins daily. I still am, and it's really nice. Here, not so much. I'm only at 10 coins. So if I can work my way up there, it'll actually help me out in the long run. So if you guys can do the same, you'll see what I'm saying. It actually adds up. You can also get a bonus if you follow their Twitter account and their Instagram account as well. They also have an app that's coming soon, it looks like. Very cool. They also have quests. And as soon as I saw quests, I was thinking achievements, video games, something along the lines of that. Really, really awesome. Alright. The other thing I didn't mention is claim a bonus code. So for example, they had one that was posted on their Twitter account earlier, so I claimed that, and it was for 200 coins. That's actually really good. It's one of those big ones, but you have to be one of the first few people to do that. First few hundred, I mean. I don't know why I said few. It would be higher than that if that was the case. But yeah. Alright. Moving on from all that earning stuff. Now's the big question. What kind of rewards can you get? All you gotta do is go to the shop. And look at that. You got PayPal, Bitcoin. I'm gonna butcher these. Ethereum. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if one of those was right. Litecoin, Amazon, Visa, Google Play, all that stuff. I don't want to fucking ramble. I don't want to ramble too much on these, but they got a bunch of different things there. And skins. So you get skins, gift cards, and cash. Cool stuff. Alright. Looks like the last thing that I didn't mention. I thought I was doing alright, but I missed 2 things now. That's not too bad. They've got a bar up here where you can actually see what people have recently earned, which is nice. And the only reason why I didn't mention the chat box is because I'm trying to refrain from clicking that tempting looking arrow there, because I'm trying to respect people's privacy as much as possible. I know I opened it up in the right over here, but it's like everybody can see that anyways. But I'm saying what I mean is like what people could be potentially saying in the chat box. Trying to respect their privacy there. Other than that, that is all I have today on this FreeCash review. I keep on almost saying the old one. I'm trying not to say that because I know that the rebrand is very serious. It's FreeCash, guys. So cool stuff. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you actually enjoy this website, because I did not mention it here, but they actually have about 2 million monthly visitors. No joke. It's a lot of people. It's almost, that's pretty much on the lines of some of the other popular ones. I'm trying to refrain from saying them because this is a FreeCash review. All right, guys, that's all I got. All right, take care.